composure. Johnny Cash about to take over. Johnny Cash, that smooth Casanova. Super like what? Super like Nova. Jeez.
Fever. She get the fever.
Give it to them.
Fever.
Watch me mix it in. Vibes.
Underground business. Oh gosh. Bobby Davis. Yo. In the mix. Come with them big bag of tricks. Oh gosh. Bobby Davis. In the mix. Come with them big bag of twigs. Oh gosh. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now live. Lift off. Underground vibes, underground pressure. Music for thought, music for mind, music my leisure. Underground business. We get dark in the club. We get dark in the streets. We get dark with the rhythms. We get dark with the beats. We get dark in the clubs. Dark with the streets, dark with the rhythms, dark with the beats, dark, time to get wavy, wavy, dark, time to get wavy, wavy, dark, time to get wavy, wavy, dark, time to get wavy, wavy. Johnny Cash, drop top mimicking, Johnny Cash, top plate pressure kid, Johnny Cash, get rid of keys, get through my crime, we do no bit, no bit. Johnny Cash, drop top mimicking, Johnny Cash, top plate pressure kid, Johnny Cash. Oh gosh. Sounds of the under, big up alpha waves, yes. Underground.
Yeah.
I was one locks.
Yeah, we love that.
Freedom music.
Underground. Messy.
Johnny's on one. He's got to watch his music cues. You don't like it. Freedom music.
You know, you hear the tune and you go.
He wants to say.
Who
all
farted?
The B's and the P's. All the B's and the P's and the.
Who farted? The beat's stinking.
Now you gotta watch your P's
Who
and your
farted?
Q's today. We're gonna be nice. Ofcom was on one last week.
Ofcom was on
so
one.
We're gonna be nice.
On one.
Ofcom was on one. Ofcom was on one. Tell them freedom music.
And we're free
Ofcom was on come.
Free at last. Free at last. Free at last.
Free Belmarsh. Freedom
Bobby Davro. Yo. Oh gosh. Alpha waves. Messy.
Big up my cousins. Big up my cousins.
Big up the cousins. Big up the Southside Brixton. Yeah.
Southside. SW Tech 9.
Let's use the house. Southside, are you down with us? West side, are you down with us? North side, are you down with us? East side, are you down with us? Birmingham, are you down with us? Manchester, are you down with us? Leicester, Leeds, are you down with us? Wales and Scotland, are you down with us? Statics. Bobby Davis down with us. DJ Statics down with us. Stilo and he's down with us. Married to House and is down with us. Anton P
down with us.
Diva MC
down with us.
DJ 01
down with us.
Sly Boogie down with us. West Side down with us. East Side down with us. North side, down with us. South side, yeah, you're down with us. Birmingham, down with us. Leicester, Leeds, down with us. Manchester, down with us. Sounds of the underground, bout to bust. Oh gosh.
Sounds of the underground.
With the volume.
Keep ringing.
Babylon shall fall.
The bells keep ringing. Yeah. And Bobby keep on playing.
Oh gosh, down with us. Bobby Davis,
Yeah, you
down with us. Little London,
Down with us. What?
Stilo, down with us. West side, and you're down with us. Twist, and you're down with us. All the tugs, them down with us. Sexy girl, them coming down with us. Johnny Cash, bound to bus. Stilo, bound to bus. Little London, bound to bus. Bobby Davis, bound to bus. Oh gosh, and you're down with us. London, are you down with us? Radio, are you down with us? Oh gosh, you're down with us. While I'm out, while I'm out. Girl, them skankers. It's only Cash. Dirty like vomit.
Call me biased. Call me biased. Call me biased. Yeah? Bobby, whose beat is this, mate?
Listen.
Where you get that from?
Listen.
Where you get that from?
Listen, you see the one that was coming in, as we established, the first one from Alpha Waves.
Okay.
Forthcoming. We ain't even going to tell you. I'll let Johnny, do the special. Freedom Music. Watch out for
Music.
it. Track entitled Babylon Shall Fall.
Pull it.
Yeah, it's coming very soon on Freedom Music. World
Extra
exclusive.
nasty.
But guess what? The tune I was bringing in, though. The tune I was bringing in
Go on.
is the Badman Minimal Mix. Yeah? Unreleased. You might have heard it at our, little
Little
snippets. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Little bits
Saturday.
and bobs we
wait,
do.
Wait, where are you going to be on Saturday?
At the Sounds of the Underground.
Whereabouts?
That's going to be at Basin House.
Saturday, yeah?
Yeah,
What are you
guess
wearing? What are you wearing?
I'm wearing blue,
White?
white, and
Red.
red. You know,
Nice.
you can't go wrong in it. You got. And Mizzo, you better come in red.
Mizzo.
You better come red and prepared, brother.
He's always prepared, man.
Big up. Who's that? Big up, G. Old tight G, man. Old tight, the whole family locked in. But as we were saying, the track that was played before is called Babylon Shall Fall. And that's by our good brother, Alpha Waves. Shout to Gaskin, Zup Zup Master. Can't forget you. The track coming in is the Badman Minimal Mix. Yeah? The Minimal Remix.
Nasty beat.
Yeah? It's nasty. It's listen. We're just gonna play it from the top.
Let's go. Tip
We're
it
gonna
top.
play it.
Sorry, I had to pull it, guys. I get excited.
No, we're gonna play it. We're just gonna do the whole mix again.
Yeah, you know what it is.
But we're
Listen.
gonna do that. We're strapped for time.
Listen, listen, no, we're good. We got this
We're good,
thing
yeah.
locked. But let me just
We're
tell
doing
you
the whole
something.
mix.
When you are a musician and an artist, which all of us are,
Facts.
so we hear certain things people ain't hearing.
That
I'll
is-
pull
that
it
is
before
facts.
it's gonna, because I know it's gonna.
Because you know what's going
Yeah,
on,
and
mate.
we know what's gonna happen.
We know what's gonna happen.
And I need you to hear the middle of the mix and the aftermath.
You know
Let's
what?
Go. Give it to
We'll
him.
do the whole
Give it
mix
to him.
again.
Give it to him, Bobby.
Babylon
From
Shall
the top.
Fall into the Badman Minimal Remix.
Nice.
And guess what? I am so gas. We got Stilo in the building,
Exactly.
Try to surprise me,
Sounds of the
We got
underground.
Little London in the building.
Live.
The sounds of the underground.
Underground.
The Wu-Tang of the house scene.
Wu-Tang, mother.
Shout to Chippy. Can't forget Chippy. Shout to
Shouts
Mr.
out.
Zook. The whole family.
Zup, zup.
Yeah,
Sounds
we
of
got
the
some
underground.
tune for you for play today. Some Chippy tune for you today. What y'all talk about?
Give it to me.
Can't forget the OG. Johnny inside the building.
Johnny Cash.
Johnny Cash.
Johnny Gyro.
Johnny Cash.
Johnny Cash, money hoes.
Johnny Cash.
Champagne bubble up.
You know I love that one. You know I love that one, innit?
You know it. Give him the mic. Let's go. Let's
Yo.
go.
Come on,
Stilo,
Stilo.
are you there? Come on, load them up. We're locked and loaded. CACAB UK, Sounds of the Underground, each and every Wednesday. Lock in, lock on. Let's go.
Here we go. Yo,
Yeah.
what you know about shooting in the winter? What you know about shooting in the rain? What you know about shooting all year round? What you know about the shooting game? What you know about shooting in the winter? What you know about shooting in the rain? What you know about shooting all year round? What you know about the shooting game? What you know about cooked up rocks? What you know about undercover cops? What you know about pebbles and socks? What you know about shooting on the blocks? What you know about John E. Cash? What you know about stash that cash? What you know about get that cash? Make that cash, invest that cash. What you know about deep bass line? What What you know about sobbing low? What you know about moving that snow? What you know about shifting that blow? Stilo, let them know.
Easy now. Shut it down.
Hold on.
Back around. Easy now.
Energy.
Shut it down.
It's a shutdown.
Down, 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 down.
It's a shutdown. Shut down. It's a shutdown. Ladies, it's a shutdown.
Down, 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 down,
Down.
down, 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 down,
Down.
down, 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 down,
Down. All aboard. Shake that bumper. Phone out. Give me that number. This weekend they feel the thunder. All aboard. Shake that bumper. Phone out. Give me that number. This weekend they feel the thunder. Ouch. Oh gosh. And it's Bobby Davis. Oh God. While I'm out, Bobby. While I'm out, Bobby. While I'm out, Bobby. While I'm out. While I'm out. While I'm out. While I'm out. Bobby Davis, while I'm out.
Bobby Davis. Make the girl them feel so nice.
Stilo.
Bobby Davis. Make the girl them catch a vibe. Bobby Davis.
Jeez.
Bobby Davis.
Bobby who? Bobby Davis. Bobby who? Bobby Davis. Bobby who? Bobby Davis. Bobby who? Bobby Davis. Bobby who?
Bobby Davis. Bobby Davis. Life
It's frowsy.
inside. Sounds of the in the mix. Bobby, let them have it. Give it to them. Give it to them. Give it to them. Give it to them. DJ.
Cash.
Johnny Cash.
Johnny Cash, you are
Nasty.
listen,
Absolutely diabolically disgusting.
listen to that. Listen to that. Listen to that.
Mind the gap.
Mind the gap.
Said mind the gap.
Said mind the gap.
Said mind the gap.
Mind the gap.
You better mind the gap.
Jeez.
Watch your step. Mind that gap. Cause we're departing now. Little London departing now. Johnny Cash departing now. Bobby Davis, we're departing now. Stilo, we're departing now. Sounds of the underground. Sounds of the underground.
Say what?
Freestyling. You ain't ready for me with a mother big pen.
Jeez.
Yo, I'm freestyling. I would yam off MCs if I ever get a pen.
It's
Don't
mad for
test
them.
me.
Shout to Amazing Grace, locked in.
Shouts out to
She's
Amazing
picking up the
Grace.
London Massive then.
Bop.
Where you at, mate? Where you at, Grace?
Amazing
Where
Grace,
you at?
yeah. Amazing
Big up Amazing Grace.
Thank you. for
I think I
locking
know who that
locking
is,
on.
you know. Long time, big up.
Who else is locked in, locked on?
Big up DJ Ace Boogie, can't forget you. TDK.
Lady
Martin
T.
Briggs, big up yourself.
Lady T.
Mr. 47, my long time brethren, you know.
Roadhouse.
Big up Roadhouse, UK. How you been?
Shouts out to Steve O Beats as well, Roadhouse.
Can't forget.
They're
Yeah,
my
you
boys,
know. What?
Roadhouse.
Go to Bandcamp, go to Beatpool,
Roadhouse.
and go check Roadhouse.
Roadhouse.
Real music.
And every Friday, yeah, 10 till 12, I believe.
Right
Mr.
here.
47.
On the big bad,
Roadhouse.
you know where to
Let's
find
connect
us.
the dots. Let's go.
Shout to PSB, my brother.
Wait, each and every time PSB and Carlos Bars.
Can't forget Carlos, you know.
Wait, with the wait.
Barzy
come on,
boy.
Come on. Where you there? Where you there? Eargasm. Bronx. Pedro P. Anton P. All the sounds of the underground family. We're gonna let this one play. Let them feel this one, Bobby. Hey, lick them in their head. Lick them in the head. Vibes card, dog. Mizzo.
Energy, vibe with me. Bobby Davis, Bobby Davis, Bobby Davis, Bobby Davis. Yeah, style we up for the middle. Energy. You're locked into the radio. Big tunes there, we're not doing. Easy now. You're getting mad, Bobby. You get him style.
Bobby Bomber pull like Jesus Christ. Oh gosh. You need to bless this tune. Yo.
1-1. Stay right there, we got style for this.
You know we got the jazz.
We don't play.
This one coming in is called State of the Art. Rest in peace, State of Art. This was on the album, the 118 Project, Johnny Cash, the intro.
118, 118.
Riri, West London, you know. And Gray from North London. I like West and I like North, and I like West and I like North. South and East. I like South and I like East. We having some vibes in here, you know.
Vibes here, man.
Ba 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 ba. Champagne nights.
Keep me up for 3 days.
Champagne nights.
Keep me up for 3 days.
Watch it now. I got the style for them, you know.
You love it, do you?
You know we're gonna chill this one? Keep me up all night.
Let's go.
Keep me up all night. Keep me up all night. Keep me up all night and do all the things you know I like. Keep me up all night.
All night.
Keep me up all night.
All night.
Keep me up all night and do the things you know I like.
Keep me up all night.
Easy,
I should
easy.
say keep me up for the day, though.
Keep me up all
You
night.
go from the day, yeah, I go to the night. And you can keep me up. I'm dedication.
Dedication.
We're now.
We just vibing on this one, you know.
We're vibes in, man, and things pop out. I'm a good girl, baby. Let's go. Keep me up. All day. All night. All day. All night. All day.
crazy.
These beats kind of make me want to turn into a trumpet. I'm like, bow, 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 bow.
I love it though. You got the style on that one.
Destiny arrives all the same.
Incoming.
Run from it, and now it's here. What should I say? I am.
Sounds of the underground. Sounds of the underground. Sounds of the underground. Stilo, Bobby Davis, Luke London, Johnny Cash. In the mix, let them have it. Let's go, let's go.
Get in the side, get in the dance. Easy now. Yo. Ace Boogie, big up yourself, man. Just cool now. Anthems after anthems, you know.
Wait, big up Mizzo. Man like Mizzo, where you there?
Yeah, yeah.
Yo,
Destiny arrives all the same.
listen to the rhythm.
Run from it, and now it's here. What should I say?
Show them, Bobby.
I am.
The bounce dance, the bounce dance. Oh gosh. Show them, Stilo. Here we go. It's the dance, you know. And today you should with that bounce one. I said, that's it.
Watch your style. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You know what you say to the gallum? Watch it. Hey, you,
Destiny arrives all the same.
what you gonna do?
Ready? Run from it, and now it's here. What should I say? I am.
Hit that beat line for me. Stilo, you ready? 1, 2, 3, amigo.
Hey, you. Hey, you. Hope you're locked in.
Oh gosh.
You know,
Watch the bounce.
chicks on my left, chicks on my right. How many chicks you wanna bubble tonight? But I don't want the ladies to fight shit. If it's alright, you look and shimmy tonight. Chicks on my left, chicks on my right. Chicks on my left, chicks on my right.
Oh gosh.
DJ Static's back in the building. Bobby Davis back to back. Sounds of the underground team.
Now it's here. What should I say?
CHD-AB UK. Let's go. Another nasty one, yeah? Another nasty one, Bobby Davis.
Hey, listen. You see how this sounds inside the studio? I don't know what your speakers sound like, but in here, mates.
Can I put you on one?
Mates,
You
go
know,
on.
Guess what?
Please.
Because a lot of people don't know this. Guess whose speaker that is?
I know. It's
Who's
an in-house. Don't give them the
Alright,
Easter egg.
alright,
It's
alright.
an in-house secret.
Listen.
They got to find out at the end of the credits.
Right. We're not telling you, but you bet you can guess.
You got to watch to the end of the credits, and you'll get that behind the scenes. We might give it away,
Listen.
but we'll give you one guess.
It's nasty when we're inside.
We'll give you one guess.
He won't go anywhere unless there's bare beeline.
Rumor has it that the word gyro was made just for Johnny. Johnny Gyro.
Like taxing people out here.
Tax Express.
Taxman's on a need to know basis. He don't need to know.
No.
Johnny Gyro. We got Bobby Defro.
In the building.
Like an afro. hey, Stacks. Where's Sue Ellen?
Hey, where's Sue Ellen?
Who shot? They are. Cliff Barnes, you know. Jock.
Who's the other one? Who's Jock? Big up Jock. Hey, big up Jock.
Who shot Sue Ellen? Ladies and gentlemen,
Hey,
go and
Stacks,
check
who
out
did it?
Dallas. Bobby
Who did it,
Davis, you know.
Stacks?
Who remembers Dallas on a Sunday?
Hey,
you know?
listen. You see, for next week, we're going to do a competition or something, innit? Let's do a competition.
Go on.
Yeah, freestyle from top of the brain competition. Next week, if you can come with like at least 5 to 7 members of that
Dallas.
program, can anyone do that? I don't think, can you? I don't-
Wait. What they gonna win? You
Get some t-shirts.
we might have to. Yeah, we're gonna throw out some Sounds of the Underground
Sounds
t-shirts.
of Underground t-shirts.
You know, we should have done it this week, and they should have had it to rock to our show. Because you know, this Saturday we're gonna be at Basin House.
This Saturday.
Red, white, blue party. We should have threw the t-shirts out. So, but you know what? Next time, another day. Yeah, what's going on this Saturday?
Wagwan, Sounds of the Underground this Saturday.
This
August
Saturday,
15, 8 p.m. to 6 a.m.
6 a.m., you know.
Bobby Davis.
Little London.
We got Gaskin.
Stilo.
We got Statics. Got Anton P.
Carlos Bars.
Pedro P.
It's mad.
Mizzo.
Wigman.
Wamba
Pechi.
Fro. Darkman Zulu.
Zulu.
Oh, tight Gaskin. Yes, I see the miss call, my brother.
Can't forget Zup Master, you know,
Yeah,
every
tight
time.
Straps.
Shout to the Mizzo Maniac
Old-type
still.
Steamer.
Mizzolanos.
Oh,
Mizzoloni.
But let's one play.
Alright, let's go. Hey, stats up next, you know. Stats up next, you know. What we saying, stats? We're gonna go for the farewell send-off rinse 1 for 1. Oh yeah, world exclusive as well. We will be going. Shall I let them know? Or is it too? No, we'll give them a surprise, innit? We'll wait till Saturday. Make sure you get your tickets for Saturday. Basin House. Yeah? It's going off. Track entitled Cash 36. Unreleased. AKA The Chon. Yeah, I don't know when this one's coming. Bomba. Hey, Stats, how you feeling today, brother? How you feeling? Alright, straight rinse out. The last how many seconds, minutes? We're going in. We got time. We're gonna go for the 1 for 1 shootout. How you mean? Shouts to Como, Senti, Zani. Big up. Shouts to Savannah. Shouts to Tasha.
Hold tight Manor, hold tight Cody, hold tight Ursula, hold tight myself connection, yes, hold tight Lens.
Big up, Lens. How you mean?
Hold tight D-Buzz Pop, hold tight Lost and Found, Ali Wild One, my G.
Big up. Shouts to Marley J. I see you, brother.
You, hold tight DJ Dice, Simi Arena. Statics, the erratic one. Oh
Let's
gosh.
go.
The animated one.
Greasy.
It's Grease.
The original Statics, you know. The original.
I stay humble when I bubble. I'm in club when I'm trouble. I stay humble
What's
when
that,
I
Jay?
bubble.
What's that, Jay? Talk to them.
Yo.
What?
I'm Johnny
What?
Cash, I'm a certified raver. Up in the club with my bad behavior.
Okay.
I'm Johnny Cash, I'm a certified raver.
Yeah.
Up in the club with the bad behavior.
That's right.
Underground vibes.
Jeez.
Underground pressure.
Jeez.
Underground vibes.
What?
Underground pressure. Underground vibes.
Vibes.
Underground pressure.
Pressure.
Music for thought.
Hey, what's your name though, Johnny? What's your name?
Johnny Cash, champagne bubbler.
That's right.
Johnny Cash, girlfriend troubler.
That's right.
Johnny Cash, West 9 hustler. You owe me dough, them recruiter murder. Johnny Cash, champagne bubbler.
That's right.
Johnny Cash, girlfriend troubler.
That's facts.
Johnny Cash, West 9 hustler. You owe me dough, them recruiter murder. Johnny Cash, calm composure. All right.
Drop top, be the kid.
Yo, drop
That's
top.
my favorite one. That's my
Here we
favorite.
go, here we go. Johnny Cash, drop top mimicking. Johnny Cash, dump plate pressure kid. Johnny Cash, get rid of keys, kid. Do my crime, but do no bid, no bid. Johnny Cash, drop top mimicking. Johnny Cash, dump plate pressure kid.
Yes.
Johnny Cash, get rid of keys, kid. Do my crime, but do no bid, no bid. Johnny Cash, that's my name. I make mad dough, simple and plain. And the wall to get them, that's the game. Now haters, they can hate again. Now Bobby. That's your name. You make mad dough, simple and plain. You know all the get them, that's the game. Now haters,
Who's that, Johnny?
they can
Who's
hate
that? Who's
again.
that?
Now
Who's that?
Statics, that's his name.
That's right.
He makes mad dough, simple and plain. He knows all the get them, that's the game. Now haters, they can hate
Who's that
again.
over there?
We get deep like a bass line.
What?
We get high like a tweeter.
Facts.
And we make more noise than
Facts.
Coliseum speaker.
Facts.
We get deep like a bass line.
Like a
We get
bass
high
line.
like a tweeter.
Like a
And we
tweeter.
make more noise than
Sablo.
Coliseum speaker, deep like baseline, high like a tweeter, make more noise than a Coliseum speaker. I'm cash man, I be the Grand Reaper, cause the game in choke cold, the game in a sleeper. I'm on the ground like a subway train, used to move coke and used to cocaine. Used to be in a club, used to pour pain. Now I'm back in that lab cooking bass again. War, we stay fresh to the bone. I'm cash man, stay fresh like a loan. All I need is 2 turntable city in a mixer, cause this microphone. What? To get the club thing started, girls and guys get retarded. What? Cause when I'm up in the club, cause you can't wait to hear a cash man dub.
Can't wait.
Drop top mimicking.
Drop
Johnny
top.
Cash, drop top mimicking.
Drop top.
Drop top mimicking.
Drop
Johnny
top.
Cash, drop top mimicking.
That's facts.
Drop top mimicking.
Drop
Johnny
top.
Cash, drop top mimicking.
What?
Johnny Cash, drop top mimicking. Do
What?
my crime, we do no bit,
No
no bit.
bid.
Jesus
Hey,
Christ.
stats. Take time in her. Take time in her stats.
As we humble, we
Easy in her
gotta
stats.
get them bubble.
Jeez.
As we humble,
We
we
inside the
gotta get
building.
them bubble. Out to 01.
Shouts to old Wizzy. Love the back-to-back Sunday, brother. Oh yeah,
01.
can't forget everyone that came on Sunday, you know.
You get me? Oh yes, the ravers, non-stop ravers.
Man, non-stop ravers, big up you guys,
Yo.
man. Love you like cooked food, how you mean?
Let me start again, let me say again. Who's down with us?
Oh, Wizzy's down with us.
01's down with us. DJ Static is
He's
down with us.
Stilo,
Down with us.
Mizzo,
Down with us. Down with us. All the girl them down with us. Mary
yeah,
House
Wigman's
is down with us. Wigman
Petchy's
is down with us. No, Petchy. If he
down with us.
Jesus. Here we go now. It get deep and dark.
Hey,
How's the
hey,
dub play
hey.
next? Bomba.
Hey, shout to dub plate. Hey, don't be shy, you know. You got my email, brother. Don't be shy. Big up.
Oh,
Big up
gosh.
Mexi every time. Original legend. Yeah, we're bringing the originals back, you know. People need to know their history, you know.
You get me?
People must think Mex just come, you know. Listen, originals been putting in work from day dot, made it possible for certain people to be on a platform today. You have to understand that, you get me? Yeah?
You get me?
Big up dub plate Mex. Track entitled Concrete. Not coming out.
Yo.
What?
Oh, hey, my hustling crew, them wild one. Yo.
I know the killing started. Johnny.
Oh
Johnny.
gosh.
Where the trigger there?
What you say?
You know who's all
What
up
you
this
say?
one. Let's go.
Arrest the Prime Minister. Catch Finger Winston Sinister. Lady. Let's start again. Yo.
Let's go.
Arrest the Prime Minister. Catch going on Sinister. Little London. We're freestyling now. Let's go.
Yeah, we will freestyle. Arrest the Prime Minister. Little London coming at you. I eat you up like dinner.
All right.
Are you ready?
Yo.
Let's go.
It's a Monday, it's a Tuesday, it's a Wednesday, sounds of the underground.
What?
Thursday, then a Friday, Saturday, it sounds of the underground. Johnny Cash, that's my name. I'm making mad dough, simple and plain. I know all again, them, that's the game now. Haters, they can hate again now. Statics, that's your name. You make mad dough, simple and plain. You know all again, them, that's the game now. Haters, they can hate again. What? We get deep like a bass line. We get high like a tweeter. And we make more noise than a Coliseum speaker. We get deep like a bass line. We get high like a tweeter. And I make more noise than a Coliseum speaker. Deep like a bass line, high like a tweeter. make more noise than a Coliseum speaker. I'm Cashman, I be the Grand Reaper. Got the game in chokehold, the game in a sleeper. Underground like subway train. Used to move coke and used to cocaine. Oh gosh.
Johnny, I know the killing started. This is my tune, you know. My tune. Statics, Bobby Davis. Money pull up. I know the killing started. My purse is over there. Hey. I know the killing started. Statics, I know the killing started. SW Tech 9. SW Tech 9, shouts out to everyone in the building.
You see, ladies and gentlemen, you see this tune here, yeah? There's an art to this tune. Let me break it down. There's an art to this tune.
Break it down.
And you have to play the tune from the intro because the music talks to the public. It talks to your soul. You can't stop. You have to move. And when you hear this groove, it's unstoppable. Believe me. What genre of music you're into, this will make you dance.
DJ Statics, Bobby Davis, Johnny Cash. Little London, now the killing started. Sounds of the underground.
I know the killing
started. Yeah. SW Tech 9 in the building.
Johnny, I know the killing
started. Something about the way you didn't.
Dirty man forget draw near and keep them up. Squeeze the trigger, Johnny.
Squeeze for that, Johnny. Squeeze.
All who say dirty man forget draw near and keep them up.
Mr. 47.
Squeeze the trigger, Johnny.
Squeeze the trigger, Johnny.
I know the killing stop.
Yeah, you know the killing started, guys. Warm up. Oh, one wide world. Oh, you know the killing stuff.
All who's a dirty man forget draw near and keep them up.
Pull it. Now you gotta play it from the top. Listen, we got excited, yeah? We got 9 minutes left. I'm telling you, this is one of my faves, yeah? I'm not being biased. You know, I got a lot of heat on my little USB, guys.
Johnny.
We're gonna start doing segment, guys. We're gonna start doing nice segments.
I know the killing
moving. I've got some nice tunes for you lot. Watch. Exclusives. This is them that I would drop.
Johnny.
Let it warm up. Let it play.
I know the killing stuff. Johnny, I know the killing stuff.
Sound to the underground.
Johnny, I know the killing stuff.
Exclusive.
Johnny,
I know the killing started. Bobby Davis. Take time. I know the killing started. Johnny Cash. Freedom music.
Johnny.
Oh, I know the killing started. Sounds of the underground. CHDAG UK.
All who's a dirty man forget draw near and keep them up. Squeeze the trigger, Johnny.
Hey, yo, this is Tipper from Circle, and I'm locked into the sound of the underground on CHDAB Radio. Bow.
All who say dirty man forget drawn near and keep them up. Squeeze the trigger, Johnny. Johnny. I know the killing stop.
Bobby Davis.
All who's a dirty man forget draw near and keep them up. Watch the vibe, it a bang. It a like that, Johnny.
Here we go. Squeeze the trigger, we're just getting started. Warm up, kids, yeah? Sounds of the underground. Each and every Wednesday, 8 till 10, catch us here live. Sounds of the underground. Big up Stilo in the building. He was live and direct. Make sure you do the playback, guys. Bobby Davis in the mix. Big up Scotty D. Nasty. Let's go. Last one. Come on, Bob. Okay, Bobby. Let's go. Clipper in the building. DJ Clipper going on live and direct next. Hold tight. Bobby Davis in the mix. Sounds of the underground. Yeah, shouts out Mizzo.
You're listening to CHDAB UK. Sounds of the underground.
Sounds of the underground. Yeah. And we're out. Bobby Davis. You can catch us here next week, same time, Wednesday, each and every Wednesday. Sounds of the underground. 8 till 10, we live. Big up Stilo. Big up Mizzo. Big up Johnny Cash. Bobby Davis, yeah, big up myself. Big up the one like Static, each and every time. Shouts out to DJ Play, our guest DJ last week, yeah. We got enough footage. Big up Riz. Shout out to Riz. Catch us at Amazing House on the 15th. This is that Saturday. Come in. Live and direct. Little London.
Hey, the last one from us, and we gone. Until next week. Let's get it. off on this one as well. I know
Yo.
you love this one too.
Are you ready to bubble?
Party.
Are you bubble? Are you ready to bubble?
Yeah.
Are you ready to bubble?
Yeah.
Are you ready to bubble? Are you ready
Don't
to
forget.
rave?
15th of August.
You wanna bubble with the bubbler? You wanna hustle with the hustler? Rave with the raver? Make cash with the money maker? Drink with the drinker? Smoke with the smoker? You wanna bubble with the bubbler? You wanna hustle with the hustler? Rave with the raver? Make dough with the money maker? Smoke with the smoker? Drink with the drinker? Johnny Cash dropped up in the kid. Johnny Cash up ain't for the kid. Johnny Cash. Oh gosh. 2 minutes.
Hey,
2 minutes. Johnny Cash you're on. 2 minutes. Johnny Cash you're on. On. Yo.
We got the countdown, sounds of the underground countdown. We got the countdown, sounds of the underground countdown.
Love this one.
Yeah. Let's go.
All aboard. Shake that bumper. Phone out. Give me that number. This weekend you feel the wonder. All aboard. Shake that bumper. Phone out. Give me that number. This weekend you feel the wonder. What?
DJ Static
In the mix now.
in the mix.
All my hustling crew them. The streetwise crew them.
DJ Static.
Yo, what tell them? What they know about?
Yo.
What they know about? Top this is static. What you know about shooting in the winter? What you know about shooting in the rain? What you know about shooting all year round? What you know about the shooting game? What you know about shooting in the winter? What you know about shooting in the rain? What you know about shooting all year round? What you know about the shooting game? What you know about shooting on the block? What you know about undercover cops? What you know about peppers and socks? What you know about cooked up rocks? What you know about move that snow? What you know about move that blow? What you know about deep bass lines? What you know about stubborn low? What you know about Johnny Cash? We're out of here.
Gyro.
Johnny Garrett out of here.
We're out of here. DJ. Big up Clip for coming through.
And spend with black businesses locally or online. A solution-based approach set up to support the growth of the UK economy. So there ain't nothing wrong with putting a bit of brown in your pound. But this time round, not only do we want to spend our pound, we want to upload our receipt to the website www.blackpoundday.uk so we can truly understand the magnitude of our spending power. Black Pound Day, the first Saturday of every month. Hashtag Black Pound Day. Hashtag Black Pound Receipt. It's a movement, not a moment.
Your number one station for future urban music. This is CHDAB UK.
Hey yo, it's your boy Matry. You're now listening to Best Urban Station, bringing you the hottest sounds. Don't know.
Deck Jam at the Brickstone, 256 Brixton Road, London SW9. DJs, this is your stage to bring your vibe in our open deck sessions hosted by Forever Nash and Amazing Grace with live percussion from The Empress. Your resident DJs on rotation and keeping the energy high are DJ Darcy, Amazing Grace, The Empress and Mr. Diggs. Deck Jam, streaming live on TikTok every other Friday at the Brickstone, 256 Brixton Road, London SW9 from 7 p.m. It's going to be a jam.
It's official. Whether you want to listen live or listen back to your favorite shows, download our app now on the App Store. Search CHDAB UK.
Tipper Irie live at the Jam House Thursday 17th of September 2026. Tipper Irie live performing all his hits in a reggae dancehall style with the Uppercut Band at the Jam House 3 to 5 St Paul Square, Birmingham B3 1QU. Doors open at 6 p.m. Advance tickets £18 plus booking fee. Dining and balcony tickets both come with a 3-course meal. Tipper Irie live Thursday 17th of September at the Jam House in Birmingham. More info birmingham@jamhouse.com or tipperirie.com.